Fliki tutorial, create stunning videos from text in minutes. Tired of complicated video editing software? Want to create engaging videos without showing your face? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Fliki, a powerful AI-powered text-to-video platform, to create amazing videos in minutes. Let's dive in. Fliki is a text-to-video platform that allows you to create videos from scripts, blog posts, or even just ideas. It uses AI voices and a vast library of stock footage and images to bring your content to life. Fliki is perfect for marketers, educators, and anyone who wants to create videos quickly and easily. No more expensive equipment or complicated editing software needed. First, head over to fliki.ai and sign up for a free account. They offer a free trial so you can test out all the features. Once you're logged in, click on the New File button. This will take you to the file creation screen. Next, you'll need to choose the type of file you want to create. You can choose from audiobook, podcast, video, and more. For this tutorial, we'll select video. Give your file a descriptive name and select your desired language. Then, you can either paste your script directly into the text editor or choose to import a file. Fliki automatically divides your text into scenes. You can customize each scene by adding visuals, changing the voiceover, and adjusting the timing. Click on a scene to edit it. You can search for relevant images or videos from Fliki's extensive library. Fliki offers a wide range of AI voices to choose from. You can preview each voice and select the one that best suits your video. You can also adjust the voice speed, pitch, and add pauses to create a more natural-sounding narration. Experiment with different voices to find the perfect fit. Adding background music and sound effects can significantly enhance your video. Fliki provides a library of royalty-free music and sound effects. Browse the library and select the tracks that complement your video's mood and message. Adjust the volume levels to ensure the music doesn't overpower the voiceover. Before generating your video, take a moment to review each scene and make any necessary adjustments. Ensure the visuals, voiceover, and music are all in sync. Once you're satisfied, click on the Generate button. Fliki will then process your file and create your video. Once your video is generated, you can download it in various resolutions. You can also share it directly to social media platforms. Congratulations! You've successfully created a video using Fliki. Now you can share your creation with the world. Explore Fliki's advanced features, such as adding animations, transitions, and custom branding. These features can help you create even more engaging and professional-looking videos. Experiment with different voiceovers, visuals, and music to find the perfect combination for your content. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. Fliki makes video creation accessible to everyone. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI features, you can create stunning videos in minutes, even without any prior experience. Ready to start creating your own videos with Fliki? Click the link in the description below to sign up for a free trial and explore all the amazing features. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and share this video with your friends who might find it helpful. Let us know in the comments what kind of videos you plan to create with Fliki.